This episode of American Cliché contains material that may not be work safe or suitable for young children. Hell, it's probably not even worth the attention span it takes to digest what you're about to hear. What? If you insist on proceeding, you've been warned.
Yeah! And I set up and poured out this stage with my own two hands. We traveled this land back like minivans. And all this full of fans, girls, money, and fame. I played the game, and that was free my name. I will show no shame. I live and die for this. And if I go on, never got caught. And I'm back with the fever. Action man, David Slack. 30 packs of struggle. 30 packs of hustle. No cocaine, the propane color. More time to live me through. With the gift and dash, with the city truth. I dabbed and stabbed and knocked the six back. And I did not stutter when I said that. I'm going fast off selling rhymes. I'm in fast off 7 times. And still the ill and wanna survive. I can't speak for the whole God. Hey everybody, welcome to American Cliché. My name is Scott. Good to be back this week. I gotta tell you, even with that break, only 1 week, right? But I kind of feel like I'm just excited to be back this week. The 2 shows I had on the road, Palm Springs for the last show, and then before that, in where the hell was I before that? Austin. It was tough to do, right? Because you're in the middle of something else. You know, in Palm Springs I was on vacation, and in Austin I was just dead to the world. So it's really good to